If you already have a subscription to Higgsfield.ai account, then congratulations to you, because today I have good news. You can claim fresh 200 bonus credits on your Higgsfield.ai account, and I will show you exactly how to do it step by step. So make sure you watch this video till the end so you don't miss any important steps. As you may already know, Higgsfield.ai is a powerful platform and credits are key to using its features. The more credits you have, the more you can experiment, create and test different AI tools without worrying about running out too quickly. Getting 200 extra credits for free is a great way to boost your account and get more done. First, scroll down to the description box below and copy the link provided there. Make sure you copy the correct link because this is the official link for the bonus offer. Next, open your browser where your account is already logged in. Then paste the link there. Once the page loads, you will see a short survey. Complete the survey by answering the questions honestly. It only take a few minutes, and this is the step that unlocks your promo code. After finishing the survey, you will get a promo code displayed on the screen. Copy this code carefully because it is what you will use to add credit to your Higgsfield.ai account. Now go to the promo code section, paste the promo code you received and click apply. Once applied, you will see 200 new credits added to your account instantly. If this video helped you, then make sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss videos like this. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new credits.